Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today video is all about bedroom designs ideas. Whether you are moving into a new apartment or just looking to use up your correct space, I have got you covered. In this video, I am going to share some of my favorite bedroom design tips and ideas that are sure to inspire you. So let's go start. Choose a color scheme. The first step is designing your bedroom is choosing a color scheme. Choosing a color scheme, you want to select color that make you feel calm and relaxed. Since the bedroom is a place for rest and relaxations, some popular color schemes include color blues, soft green, and natural grays. Once you have selected your color scheme, you could begin to incorporating it into your bedding, curtains, and decor. Maximize your space that you have. Make the most of your space. One way to do this is by selecting furniture that is multifunctional, such as a bed with built-in storage or a nightstand that doubles as a desk. You can also use vertical space by adding shelves or hanging storage solution. Add personal touches. Your bedroom should be a reflection of your personality and style. One way to add personal touches is by incorporating artwork or photographs that special meaning to you. You can also add decorative pillows, throws, or rugs that showcase your furniture skills and about patterns. Lighting is an important element in any bedroom designs. In addition to overhead lighting, such as also incorporate task lighting such as reading lamps or bedside table lamps. You can also add combined ambience with candles or string lights. Do not forget the details. Finally, it's the little details that can really make a bedroom feel complete. Consider adding plants for a touch of greenery or adding a decorative tray to organize your bedside essentials. You can also incorporating textures with cozy blankets or curtains with interesting patterns. And there you have it, my top bedroom design tips and ideas. I hope your furnitures this video helpful and inspiring. Let me know in this comment below which tips was your furniture, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more designs inspiring. Thanks for watching my video. Thanks once again.